Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how the small business invoice track and reminder in Notion works. So the general idea is to track your invoices, the ones you send out in Notion. So how does it work? Yeah, it's quite a simple but really powerful database we're using here. So the idea is if you issue a new invoice or if you just get a new client, you just click on new page. And what you can see here, it automatically fills out not issued yet. Let's enter a client that's called is client 6. As you can see here, the invoice ID is generated automatically. And again, a more detailed description tells you the invoice is not issued yet. Yeah, what we can see here is we can enter the invoice amount. Let's use a very big one to see how the bars above are moving. So we enter 5,000. As you can see here, the bar with not issued yet really jumps up. If we take a 0 away, you can see it reduces, but let's use 5,000 so we can see the effect it has. Yeah, until we issue the invoice, nothing happens here. If we decide to issue the invoice, let's assume it was a long time ago, let's say it was more than a month ago, what we can see now is that it jumped up in the database. So we created client 6 and it tells us that the invoice was issued more than 30 days ago with the red dot. And yeah, it was issued exactly 36 days ago, which is really not good. This is why we again here the bar with all the invoices which were issued more than 30 days ago are shown. What we can do now is we can either enter that the invoice was paid, but it's not what we're going to do right now. Instead, we're going to send this client a reminder. This reminder is built with the Notion Gmail automation. So let's click on Edit Automation to get an insight. What this button does, it sends a email from the email you linked to your Notion account, the Gmail, to the client email. You see client email is this field here, client email, where you enter your client email address, and the subject is this page invoice ID. So it's the invoice ID from this page invoice issued, which is the date is still open, and then dear client name, which is the client name. Sorry, please, pay this invoice. So, and when we send out the invoice reminder, it also checks this box, and then hopefully the client pays this invoice. So let's assume the client pays the invoice. Let's say they paid it today. What we can see now is that client 6 now shows, all right, it's green, invoice got paid, invoice paid after 36 days. It's not good, but at least they paid, and we can see that the big bar is now with invoice paid. So yeah, this is the invoice tracker. Its purpose is to give you kind of a quick overview over your invoices and helps you to keep on top of the invoices you are issuing. If you're interested in this Notion template, I might put the link down below to the Notion marketplace where you can get it from. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye.